Now come to page number 122. Nature is a vast storehouse of resources, but these are neither endless or unlimited, nor are these well distributed throughout the world. The world it is not equally. Sometimes something is more in some place, one other thing is would not be there. So put in the bracket, the need of the hour is to conserve the present natural resources, to balance our present use in such a manner that we can conserve it for future. Close the bracket. The need of the hour, the present time, what we have to do is to conserve, to protect the present natural resources, to balance our present use in such a manner that we can conserve it for future. In coming future, if we wanted to use it something, we need to conserve it, to protect it now. This is termed as substance development. What is substance development? The need of the hour to conserve the present natural resources, to balance our present use in such a manner that we can conserve it for future. Alternative resources, especially renewable resources, have to be used instead of non-renewable resources. Use of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum have to be controlled. This continuous use in large quantities, their continuous use in large quantities will not only end them up in near future but also cause pollution to the environment. So we have to be conscious and careful while utilizing the resources. So what we have heard, we have learned is in our own houses, we know many of us have one or two or three vehicles. Petrol, diesel, and all these things we need it to run it. So what I want to tell, we have to be very careful in using. There should be a limit in using these things. Otherwise, coming days there may not be anything. Now you see sustainable development, balancing the need to use resource and also conserving them for the future is called sustainable development. What do you mean by sustainable development? Balancing the need to use resources and also conserving them for the future is called sustainable development. Very important, please put in the bracket. Second, next one, principles of sustainable development. What are the principles? What are the things that we have to be careful? Respect and care for all forms of life. We should respect whether it is plant, animals, human being, whatever may be, we have to respect them, all forms of life. Second one, improving the quality of human life. When we have a good quality of life only, we will be able to have it a proper understanding. Next, conserving the earth's vitality and diversity. We should protect the earth's vitality and diversity. Next, minimizing the depletion of natural resources. We have to have less use of natural resources. Changing personal attitude and practices towards environment. We should have a proper attitude and generosity towards the environment, enabling communities to care for their own environment. We should have a proper environment. The future of earth is its people, depends upon our ability to maintain and preserve the life supporting system. We should be care. The future of the earth. What is the future of the earth? Its people and depends upon our ability to maintain and preserve the life support system. We should ensure that all uses of renewable resources are sustainable. all users of renewable resources are sustainable. The diversity of life on the earth is conserved. We should conserve, protect the diversity of the earth. Third point, the damage to natural environmental system is to be minimized or is minimized. Then only we will be able to take care of future generations. Otherwise, there may not be anything for the coming generations. No resources will be remaining. So children, once again go through the points to remember. Glossary, there are certain new words which you may not be knowing. Go through it and try to do the exercises also. At the same time, I also will be sending it, but answers, long answer type question, short answer type questions, all these things you have to very neatly and beautifully should write in your own copies. God bless you. Take care.